My name is Adam Spence. I'm an attorney in Towson, Maryland. I have a law firm where I'm a partner, and I am also a Cub Master of PAC 444. We have 65 youths that we Cub Scouts ranging from grades 1 through 5, and I'm also co-chair of a Friends of Scouting networking breakfast that we hold each year in Hunt Valley, Maryland. Well, I think scouting is important and particularly relevant in today's society for many reasons. The first is I come from a coaching background where I actually coach youth soccer, youth basketball, youth baseball for my kids, boys 11, 9, and 7, all scouts. And what I've found is that whether it's in school or in sports, they're not getting the well-rounded approach that scouting offers. So, for instance, they're not getting educated on environmentalism necessarily, and they're not actually going out and taking hikes in the woods and listening to nature and seeing how we can make an impact and improve nature by picking up trash or not polluting. And ultimately, I think those are lessons that are going to carry them through. Personally, when I was a young scout, we camped about once a month, and I still, from that, developed a great deal of respect for the great outdoors, and I think that allowed me to be balanced in my approach in business and how we treat the environment and understand what's going on environmentally today. But I think as important, scouting is much more than that, because it also teaches civics. Rarely in today's society are we able to actually have a chance to teach our kids about what it means to be a citizen. And so what scouting does is it puts a program in front of the boys at the age where you can actually teach and they'll listen about what it means to be a good citizen, what it means to appreciate police officers and to understand what they do, and firefighters, and to understand politicians that aren't necessarily a bad thing but a good thing, and to teach them possibly to aspire to those roles in the future. And beyond that, it also teaches other aspects, respect for the elderly. We've had our children sing in nursing homes, our Cubs sing in nursing homes, and we've also taken them to museums where they can learn about local history and local culture, and that's something that I don't think they're getting anywhere else, and I think that that's a value that we can really add to boys growing up. Well, I think scouting has the ability, through its programming, to really make an impact on kids' lives at a very early age that can train them and provide them with guidance to become better citizens going forward. And I think what you're doing is you're creating, through the scouting program, productive citizens for everyone. And I think that for every child that can go through scouting and ultimately even reach Eagle, you're going to have people who are going to be leaders, both in our corporate community and also in the political community. And I think that's important to be able to have that training ground and to guide those children through these processes. In fact, it's a known fact that in scouting, many people develop lifelong hobbies out of scouting, and I think it's absolutely a wonderful and worthy cause.